This will be the fourth part of our video on section 3.3, proving lines are parallel. This is theorem 3.7. It's on the transitive property of parallel lines. It tells you if two lines are parallel to the same line, then they're parallel to each other. For example, if line P and line Q are parallel to each other, and we also know that line Q is parallel to line R, then we can also say that line P is parallel to line R. So we're going to use that transitive property of parallel lines to do this problem. The flag of the United States has 13 alternating red and white stripes. Each stripe is parallel to the stripe immediately below it. Explain why the top stripe is parallel to the bottom stripe. So your given information is going to be a whole bunch of. It's going to be line 1 is parallel to line 2. Also, line 2 is parallel to line 3. Then you're going to say line 3 is parallel to line 4, so on and so forth, all the way down until you say line 12. That's a 2. Is parallel to line 13. That's your given. Now, what you're going to do is use this transitive property of parallel lines to come through this given and notice that line 2 is parallel to two different lines. So now you can say line 1 is parallel to line 3 by the transitive property of parallel lines. Also, notice how line 3 is parallel to line 4. So if we use this and this, we can then say that line 1 is parallel to line 4. Now this next statement here says line 4 is parallel to line 5. So line 1 is parallel to line 5, and so on and so forth. You're going to use that transitive property of parallel lines a whole bunch of times until you get to, we'll just put a bunch of dots here, line 1. I'm not going to be able to write it. I'll write it over here. Line 1 is parallel to line 13. Oh my God, get me out of here.